I plan to work as a software engineer, probably at a company like Google and Microsoft. I imagine myself working and living in a vision city like Hanoi or Ho Chi Minh City, where there may opportunity for career and personal development. While I don't have a specific in mind for marriage, I hope to find a partner and starting down sometime in my late 20 or early 30 to prepare for that person. I need to focus on honing my technological skill, building a strong person to life, and networking with a problem in technology innovation.